Hello everyone, welcome to Tech with Anirudh. Today I'm going to talk about a deep fake which I saw and edited. So this is the I'll share you a link for the collab repository if you want. So let's get started. Wait a minute. So this is actually the collab notebook. So this is from Alexander. This can actually fake your face, so deep fake. You know that, right? So it's yeah. So let's get started. So this can be helpful in doing some animation stuff. Like if you give a still image of a character, it can just make it talk. So, and also it can do that the same thing for humans. I think he has something called fashion that it can actually do for, I think, full body. Yeah. So it's by Alexander Sirhan. Sorry if I'm pronouncing that wrong. So yeah, I'll just connect to the runtime. This may take a moment. So I can also bring old memories to life. That's also, yeah, it can do many things. Okay, now it's connected. I'm gonna clone the repository of Alexander Siren. Okay, I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing it. Go to that directory. So I'm gonna mount my Google Drive. So this I'm not going to do mount. I'm not gonna change. I'm gonna change the directory to my G drive, but I'm not gonna unzip the first order motion model because I already did that. So yeah. So the first order motion model I unzipped it in my Google Drive, so I don't have to do that again. Now, just run the code. Oh yeah, I did it 2 times. Yeah. So I'm gonna load the videos of Donald Trump. Wait, I'm gonna load the video. And this may take a moment. Am I running on a GPU or not? Yeah, I'm running on a GPU. Sure. Cancel this, man. Okay, I'll just So this is done. There's a Donald Trump over here. I'm just gonna load the checkpoints. Config book. Yeah. So this one, it'll take a few minutes or a few moments. Yeah, until that loads. Let me explain what it's doing. So this is actually just loading the videos of Donald Trump, and it's gonna display this, and this is gonna load the model. Yeah, it's gonna load the model. Yeah, then I think it's loading the model over there. Yeah, now it's actually making it's making him talk. Yeah, it's doing the deep fake part right now. It's just gonna ask it to make the animation, then it's gonna save it. It's called generator.mp4. Then it's gonna display it. Now it's displaying it. See that? Wow, right? It's making it's very good at doing this deepfakes. Wow, I can't believe that works. It's so super, right? Yeah. So I'm gonna switch. I'm gonna switch haircuts. Here, you can read this if you want. Yeah. Yep. See? It looks weird, right? Yeah, totally weird. Now if you want to run on your data, you just have to upload your video on Google Drive, or you can also upload your image on Google Drive. Or here you can upload your image. So I'm gonna do on the sample. Okay, I'm not gonna upload my images, etc. I'm just gonna do on the sample which he gave. Yeah, this will take a while. Okay, so this will take a while. So I'll explain what it's doing right now. It's just asking FFmpeg, yeah, FFmpeg to cut the face from the video, long video. Yeah, just cut out the face. I'll show you code which it actually cuts out your face using CV2. It just cuts out your face from a live video. I can share that code with you. Yeah, it's doing that. It just saves it at hinton.mp4. So it's doing that, and it may take a while. Sure. I'll actually give a link to the explanation video for the face focus code. Yeah, it's done. So yeah, it's done. Now this may take a bit longer. So yeah, it'll take a few days or more. I'm just working on the code. If anyone knows why, I'll show you the source code. Why doesn't the code which I wrote, the face outline, the face cutout, when I'm writing it onto the video, it's actually not writing it. I don't know why. Can you, if you know, viewers know how to do that, please give a comment on how to do that. I don't know how to do that. And thanks for that if you leave a comment. Yeah. This is also a bad one. Yeah, so this does that, but a little bend on the face. I think that's why Hinton is actually talking like this. So I think it's hard for it to recognize like that. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching and see you soon. Bye.